When was the last time you wrote something by hand? It has probably been a while. After all, most of us use keyboards or keypads to write. So in today's world, does handwriting even matter? If you are a doctor, then the answer is yes. Doctors' handwriting is probably the original medical mystery. Only pharmacists can decipher it. Now an Indian High Court says no more. The court has pulled up doctors and has asked them to fix their handwriting. Here's a report.
Recently, the Punjab and Haryana High Courts heard a case. It involved allegations of rape, cheating and forgery. As part of the case, the justice looked at a medical report written by a government doctor who had conducted the examination. And the judge was stumped. The report had a 2-page prescription with a doctor's unreadable scrawl. The court found it incomprehensible. And now this scenario has led to an order which has nothing to do with the case itself. Instead, it is all about the written word. The Indian High Court has asked doctors to fix their handwriting because apparently that one prescription shook the conscience of the courts as not even a word or letter was legible. If you have ever stared at a piece of paper and wondered, is this a prescription or a ransom note, then you know what the court is talking about. Reading a doctor's notes is like decoding ancient hieroglyphics or taking the ultimate eye exam. Many doctors' handwriting is so bad it can only be deciphered by pharmacists. And this is not just true for India. Jokes around doctors' notoriously bad handwriting are common around the world. But is this true? Well, apparently not. According to research, doctors' handwriting isn't necessarily worse. But thanks to fast-paced environments and technical jargon, when doctors rewrite, it can feel like penmanship needs a CPR. But despite the running jokes, the consequences can be dire. According to a 1999 report by the Institute of Medicine, medical errors cause at least 44,000 preventable deaths annually in the United States, out of which 7,000 are attributable to sloppy handwriting. Recently, a woman in Scotland suffered chemical injuries after she was mistakenly given erectile dysfunction cream for a dry eye condition. In the UK, health authorities have admitted that drug errors caused appalling levels of harm and deaths. In India too, misreading of prescriptions has resulted in major health emergencies, like in the case of a woman who suffered from convulsions after she was mistakenly given a medicine for diabetes. After all, the emphasis on doctors' handwriting is not about aesthetics. It's not about convenience either. This is about leaving no room for misinterpretation, because it can have tragic consequences. A doctor's handwriting can be the difference between life and death, which is why health experts suggest electronic or digital prescription systems. It could reduce errors by half. This is also what the Indian High Court has ordered. They have set a 2-year timeline for rolling out digitised prescriptions. Until that happens, all doctors must write prescriptions clearly in capital letters. In big cities, doctors have already moved to digital prescriptions, but a complete shift spanning all of India will be a time-taking process. Until then, maybe this order will be the medicine that doctors' penmanship skills need. After all, if bad handwriting were a symptom, doctors would be terminal.
Firstpost now available in 9 languages on YouTube. English,
At $36 trillion.
French,
Le FMI, comme
German,
Geschäftsführenden Direktor,
Hindi,
$30 trillion ka kaijmo.
Indonesian,
Pemerintah tanpa pemeriksaan.
Italian,
Sekali radikali.
Japanese,
Yung Teodoro idioma.
Portuguese,
Por causa do próprio balanço patrimonial.
Spanish.
Beautiful bill.
Go to Settings, click on Audio Track and select a language of your choice. Be the first to know what's happening around you in your first language. Firstpost.